Yes, hello once again. This is Samuel, and this is our tutorial number 4. Yes, number 4. So I'm going to take you through the Schoolpesa defined data. I think we have gone through that. By Schoolpesa defined data, I mean that data that comes with the system. So the defined data that comes with our system is going to be, we have three types of we have three types of data that come with the system. So from this you are going to see what data comes with the system. So subjects, that is one. The system is going to come with the subject groups. So at Schoolpesa, we already know a specific number of subjects that are studied in a certain class. So the system already comes defined with that, with number of subjects and names that are covered by a certain class. So that comes the system, and then the subjects also are going to come with the system. As you can see, we have math, English, all subjects are here as from the NCD syllabus. They all come with the system, 21 subjects. So next will be those are two defined data types, and then the other data types that come defined with the system, I can say that will be the class. Yes, the class names come defined. That is senior 4, senior 3, senior 2, senior 1. So these cannot be changed. So these come defined within the system. So sections can be changed. We can give you your stream names. You can rename these can be changed, but these, they come defined with the system. So other data types that come defined with the system, we have topics. All topics come with our system, so you don't need to enter topics for classes and terms. We have already done that for you. So we already entered all topics in the system, so you can see our system has over 144 plus topics that are got from the NCDC lower curriculum syllabus. So the other data type comes with the system is the competences. So also the competences are going to come with the system. You don't need to enter this. Our system comes already with this defined. So the advantage of that is that it makes printing this report very fast, because if we already have these competences, topics, subject names, you don't need to enter this. So you just click and then the report will be automatically generated. So we have come to the end of this tutorial, and in the next tutorial what we are going to cover is how to add a student to the system. See you in the next tutorial, and thank you and bye.